Greentech is one of the largest U.S. distributor in the solar industry.
We are a full line distributor that has everything you would need to install solar on your home or your business. Anything you would need to be able to install solar if you're starting from scratch, we can provide the service necessary to get you where you need to go.
The people that do best at Greentech are the ones that have that team mentality already built into them.
I chose Greentech Renewables because it is an exciting industry. It's rapidly developing. I feel like I was given an opportunity at Greentech that I wouldn't have gotten anywhere else. Having such a tight-knit group, all facing the issues together, makes it a fun journey instead of a challenge.
Greentech has changed my life personally. It's helped me grow as an employee, and it's also helped provide for my family. And I don't plan on going anywhere.
I think the best part about our culture is a lot of camaraderie that's being built and how everybody kind of holds each other accountable to making sure that we're all okay.
Everything is work ethic here. It's a team environment. You're going to see everybody from every department out in the warehouse doing what's necessary to get the job done.
It takes time, dedication. There's a lot of hard work, a lot of hours, but Greentech pays it back.
We don't want to turn people over. We're trying to make long-term investments in our people. We'd love them to retire here at some point. And I think that the bar is pretty high. We expect a lot, but I think we offer a lot.
We want you to be able to invest in us because we're going to invest right back into you, into your career, into your life, and make life-changing decisions that you would have never dreamt of.
Greentech being privately owned has been a huge advantage for me personally because it gives me the flexibility to make sure that I'm able to make decisions that make sense for our business and for our customers' business.
Every employee has a voice. Every employee has influence over the business. Their opinion matters. You get compensated based on that, right? We have a profit sharing program.
Every single person in the building can be accountable for their bonus.
We're in an industry that has upward trajectory. You have the ability to find $1 million account almost every day.
Overall, there's an unstoppable forward momentum right now. And given the variability, given our high growth rate, there's a limitless ceiling.
To be on the leading edge of the transition to renewable energy, it excites me just to be a part of that on an everyday basis.
The other thing that I appreciate is just knowing that I'm making an impact in the renewable energy sector. And I just like knowing that I'm doing my part to help us move on to something better.
It feels kind of nice to actually make a difference. We feel like our business makes a difference for the country and for society generally, which is not something I had been accustomed to in the past, but something I've grown to appreciate being a part of solar.